My friend Sean is getting a tattoo at one of the most painful spots. The tattoo shop that we're at today is Kadillac Tattoo in Mount Airy, PA. But let's head in, let's go see what Sean's up to, and I'll give you a little tour of the tattoo shop. So let's go. Now this specific shop has been around since 2013, but Kadillac Tattoo as a whole has been around since 1993. So as you can see, this tattoo shop is very old school, a lot of American traditional, and it gives you that old school vibes of when you walk in, you know, you go to a tattoo shop, not really modernized, which I do like. Ain't that the truth?
The way your body is, it should face the other way.
Look at those two chatting it up, how cute, and look how happy Sean looks. You nervous, buddy? He's getting his inner bicep done today, so I got both of mine done. I'm happy I don't have to do it again. One of the most, in my opinion, one of the most painful tattoo spots. Not to make you any scared, then you're probably not ready. Now, a lot of my friends have been getting tattooed by Angus for a while now, and one thing is for certain, this guy knows how to do color. I just saw the color before you did.
Oh shit.
Pretty nutty.
Oh shit.
Take one last look at your inner bicep.
Yeah, the two-time.
Blank by. Let's go!
Slow.
I know he's walking on. You're like,
Taking a walk of.
And now it's time to put on that stencil.
that makes the most sense with the sword behind it. Just stabbing right through that.
From spending the day with Angus and Sean, I gotta say that Angus, being a professional tattoo artist, not only does he do great work, but he's also really good at making his clients feel extremely comfortable. Damn, that's buttery smooth.
That actually did come off.
That came off pretty good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Noise.
Exactly what I had envisioned.
It was actually really awesome observing Angus set up everything and getting ready to tattoo, because it was just such an old school method, which I don't really get to see that often, so the experience was really cool. Getting that coil machine ready, look at that. So one thing I'm going to show you real quick, that in this tattoo shop, they save all the stencils to all the people, as long as, you know, the stencils were cool, and they hang them up, and I just thought it was super cool, so let me show you some of them. Now, throughout Sean's whole tattoo journey, he actually has done a really good job with handling the pain of getting a tattoo, but the inner bicep is just on such another level. I don't know if he's going to be able to do it. Pouring that ink. All right, buddy, you ready?
Let's do it.
First initial reaction on the inner bi.
You ready for pain, bro?
No sweat.
I feel like Sean's lying. This spot, terrible. So Sean actually went pretty nuts on his tattoo adventure. He literally got one tattoo, and then in the span of like, I think like 4 to 6 months, he ended up getting pretty much a whole sleeve, and that's why he's working on the inner bicep today, because that is the last big piece of this arm. So right now they're working on the outline. Once the outline's done, Angus is gonna pour the color, and then they're gonna get cracking at that. How's it going so far, Sean?
No problemo.
I'm kind of pissed. I don't know if Sean is some type of superhuman or whatever, but the inner bicep is not phasing him at all, but he's only getting the line work done so far. Shading's a different story, in my opinion. Looking pretty good so far. So I haven't been the person watching getting somebody tattooed in a while, so I'm starving. I have to go get something to eat. They're still doing the line work, but I gotta go grab some food. I'm gonna grab some food for Sean too. Because real friends look out for each other.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You got it, man. Enjoy.
And we're back. A little care package for you, buddy. What are you guys working on right now?
A little bit of round shading going on in these little details. And after that, we're gonna hop to that steel gray.
How long you been tattooing for, Angus?
9 years now.
9 years?
Yeah.
What made you get into it? Just your dad? Being so heavily in the tattoo game, I guess?
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, it was cool seeing him when I was a kid.
How's the shading so far, Sean?
After he put that numbing spray on, I don't feel a thing. He's tickling me.
What would you say the pain is out of 1 to 5 right now?
8.
No, seriously.
It's like a 2. When he was shading in some of the sword before putting on the lidocaine spray, I was like,
Dude's making me look like a little wuss. Angus and his dad has been making tattoo ink for like years now, and his dad is like one of the most educated people I ever met when it comes to like tattooing ink and the pigments and everything. It's super insane on how much this dude knows. And it's not only for this shop here, it's for all of his other shops. I think Angus, how many shops does Angus own? Or like the family own?
Cadillac's down to 2 locations.
Okay, so there's 2 locations that they both have, but they also distribute the ink to other people, right?
His old man mixes pigment and sells it.
Okay.
pretty much globally.
There you go. Kadillac Tattoos ships out 600 to 1,000 ounces of ink each month. Cleaning out the needle.
Yeah. White.
you missed a lot of my genuine reactions.
When?
That last go round of the yellow.
Sean just said he took back everything. That last section was a 4 out of 5. But now it's time for the white ink. The whites are never fun.
What? It's a little bit of pop. We definitely got the crackle.
White ink.
Little sting. Little sting.
I know that area does not feel good right now.
It's like a weird feeling though. It's like
That's right up in the arm.
Imagine someone's holding a lighter up to your armpit hair and just your armpit hair is burning.
They're like really good feeling.
No.
I'm waiting for it.
Oh, the back and fur.
And now it's finally done. Let's take a look at this thing. The reveal.
Well, you did a great job, you know. It's yeah, now that's crazy.
You should have been like,
Angus killed this tattoo. What do you think of your new tattoo?
It's crazy. Can't really take a good picture of it right now.
you're definitely my friend.
Man, you outdo yourself every single time. Can't
Thanks,
wait to
buddy.
come back
My
again.
friend. Appreciate you.
See you, buddy. Let's go! So he has one more session left to just do the background. And I'll probably come with him for that too, because this vlogging stuff is pretty fun, the tattoo vlogs. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Yeah!